In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Steam application to latest version. By the end, you'll know how to let Steam keep itself and your games current automatically, and how to manually trigger an update when you need it. Start by opening the Steam app. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and select Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Downloads section. Here you'll see options labeled Updates or Automatic Updates. Choose the option that says Let Steam decide when to update. Right below that, set the scheduled time frame to something broad, like midnight to 2300 hours. That basically tells Steam it has permission to check for and install updates anytime during the day. This is the simplest way to keep the Steam client and your game library current without you having to remember to do anything. If you want Steam to avoid peak hours on your connection, you can narrow that window, but keeping it wide ensures updates happen promptly. Next, make sure Steam is fully launched. Often, updates will start downloading automatically as soon as the client opens. You'll typically see activity in the lower part of the window or a small status indicator showing download progress. If you'd like to confirm the client itself is up to date, click the Steam menu again in the top left and look for Check for Steam Client Updates. If that option is available, select it. Steam will check online, and if a new version is found, it will download it for you. You can keep an eye on the progress either at the bottom of the window or in the Downloads section, which shows active and queued updates. When the client finishes downloading an update, Steam may prompt you to restart to complete the installation. Go ahead and accept that prompt. The restart is what actually applies the new version, so don't skip it. If Steam doesn't prompt you, it usually means you're already on the latest release. For game updates, just leave Steam running and it will pull them down within your scheduled window, ensuring your library is ready to play when you are. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.